Hello everyone, it's Chris here from Britcent. Now, many of my students often mix up the phrases I don't mind and I don't care, and they're not always interchangeable. So today I'm going to be teaching you what each phrase means and how you can use them, so you can use them yourselves without worrying about getting them wrong. So, let's have a look. So, when you say I don't mind, the word mind doesn't mean your head or your brain or your thoughts or anything like that. In this context, mind means to object to something. Taking this into account, now we know that when we say I don't mind it means I do not object to In other words, if happens, that's okay. If it doesn't happen, that's also okay. It can also mean it's okay, I give you permission. On the other hand, when you say I don't care, care means to have feelings or an interest in something. So when you say I don't care or I don't care about it means that you have no feelings towards this. This makes this phrase sound a lot more negative and colder than I don't mind. So, let's have a look at I don't mind and I don't care in the same context so you can understand the difference a little better. So, if someone said, would you like tea or coffee? And you said, I don't mind, that means that you have no preference and you're happy with either tea or coffee. However, if someone said, would you like tea or coffee? And you said, I don't care, then this might come across as a bit rude because it means I'm not interested in whatever you offer me. Well, that's all from me today, and I hope this video has cleared up for you the differences between I don't mind and I don't care. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye. To object to something. Yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
So the word mind.
Yeah, the word mind. Yeah. So then you say, I don't mind.